Here's the brutal truth no one dares to say. Meritocracy is dying, not slowly, but in a way that's choking out anyone who actually wants to earn their place. The economy is competitive, sure, but it's a rigged race, not a fair one. If you're out here trying to build something real, trying to prove yourself by results, you already know it. Forces bigger than hard work are skewing the game. Connections matter more than skill. Luck more than sweat, titles more than impact, and it's maddening. It burns you up inside when you see less capable people glide forward just because of who they know or where they come from while you're stuck grinding in the dark. But don't confuse frustration with defeat. The system as it stands doesn't reward merit the way it should, but it also can't crush it if you get smart about your moves. First, stop playing by the rules the old economy handed you. Those rules are chains disguised as roadmaps. Start questioning every assumption. The value of credentials, the weight of networks, even what success really means in your world right now. Stop chasing validation from places designed to gatekeep talent. Instead, build your own ecosystem. Connect with people who push the boundaries, not just those who repeat the same tired stories. Find the few who challenge you, who don't settle for comfort, who actually demand excellence. Next, kill the idea that merit is a fixed thing. It's not. It's a process, a fight, a daily rebuild. Everyone's got to prove themselves again every damn day. If you're coasting on last year's wins, you're already behind. Double down on learning so hard you leave no room for others to catch you. That means doubling your intensity on skills, yes, but also on understanding how power flows, where capital moves, what drives decision makers, what makes markets change. Master the system's logic better than anyone else. Then bend it to your will. Also, be ruthless about your time and partnerships. Cut out anyone who slows you down or expects you to waste energy on politics and ego trips. You're here to build, scale, and reshape the future, not babysit fragile egos or play status games. If they're not adding value, they're drainers. Your network isn't about numbers, it's about precision. Each link must be sharp, complement your strengths, and open doors you can't open alone. And here's something most won't say. Embrace risk like your life depends on it, because it does. The moment you cling to comfort or tradition, meritocracy slips further away. Markets reward boldness, not caution. Investors pour money where innovation burns hottest, not where proof of past status glows. So go all in on projects that scare you, that disrupt norms. Those are the moves that force merit to survive. If you play small, you die small. Finally, never stop questioning who you're building for. Meritocracy can't survive if it only serves the usual suspects. It has to be about actual contribution, period. The traditional system forgot that. It's settled for mediocrity wrapped in hierarchy, but real meritocracy demands diversity of thought, background, and approach. Push beyond cultural and geographic borders. Find your tribe, then expand it globally. That's where real change happens. So yes, it's brutal out there. The promise of meritocracy is cracked, but it's not dead. If anything, it's screaming for reform, and for those willing to fight the old guard with smarter, fiercer strategies. Seize that. Don't just adapt. Dominate by mastering what others reject or ignore. Build new alliances, learn relentlessly, be shameless about risk, and focus on impact, not on comfort or status. This is how meritocracy can survive, and how you keep winning in a world designed to stop you. Stop waiting for permission. Start tearing down the old illusions. Begin now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.